The Engine 2 diet meal plan consists of 3 healthy meals per day, a gallon of water, and no sugar. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, as well as restricted amounts of nut butter, tofu, tempeh, seitan, smoothies, baked goods, and plant-based milk replacements are all allowed on the diet. In the meanwhile, avoid all animal products, vegetable oils, and refined or processed foods. Unlike other popular diets, the Engine 2 diet does not require you to track your nutrient consumption or count calories. It does, however, require that you vary your diet and stick to a low-fat, plant-strong diet plan. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, as well as restricted amounts of nut butter, tofu, tempeh, seitan, smoothies, baked goods, and plant-based milk replacements are all allowed on the diet. In the meanwhile, avoid all animal products, vegetable oils, and refined or processed foods. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and dried fruit, which are high in fat or sugar, should be avoided as part of the diet. While there isn't much study on the Engine 2 diet specifically, comparable eating patterns have been linked to a variety of health benefits. Healthy whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are prioritized in the Engine 2 diet. These foods are high in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, among other nutrients. It also restricts processed foods, which tend to be heavy in calories, salt, and added sugar while being deficient in important micronutrients. This will not only help you get more vitamins and minerals, but it will also improve the quality of your diet. The Engine 2 diet promotes eating nutritious, nutrient-dense meals and may help people lose weight. It also doesn't necessitate calorie or nutrition tracking, which may make it simpler to stick to in the long run. I hope this video helped you with the Engine 2 diet. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and then be sure to subscribe for more. And I'm always looking to make more of what you want to see. So leave a comment below and let me know what video I should do next. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.